Let's talk about second feature, and this one is really exciting. Comparing screen is something we all do, right? And if I talk about designers, designer compare Figma design with actual implemented screen. Q engineers compare before and after changes, and developer validates UI updates and the regressions. Normally, this take a lot of steps. Well, you opening image and then resizing the windows and switching between tools. So I simplified the entire show. Let me show you how it works. So we are inside our app. All you need to do is drag a two screenshot into the app. So let's do that. So we have these beautiful screens here. Let's drag them. Capture automatically asks you if you want to compare them or not. Once you click on compare, it opens the clean side-by-side comparison view. Now, here is the really powerful part. I've added the link zoom button. Uh, when link zoom button is enabled, it's already enabled. Zooming into one screenshot automatically zooms the another one. The exact position. This makes extremely easy to spot a visual differences. Well, you can also turn it off and inspect the image individually. And also you can compare up to 3 screenshots. Let me just show you how 3 screenshot work as well. You can also enable that side-by-side comparison view from here as well. And right after that, there is a one more feature that make comparison even more precise, the grid overlay. Sometimes side-by-side comparison and zoom are still not enough. As a QA or a designer, you often need to verify exact alignment, spacing, and layout consistency. So inside the comparison view, you can enable the grid overlay on the top right of the screenshot. Once you turn on, grid appears on both image, making it very easy to see. Once you turn on the grid appearance on the both the images, it making it very easy to see alignment differences, padding margins, layout shifts that are otherwise hard to notice. You can adjust the grid size all the way up to 12 by 12, depending on how detailed your comparison needs to be. So let's do that. This is especially useful when comparing Figma design with real app screens when pixel level accuracy matters. It's a small features but make a huge difference in a visual validations. Now let's say you're working with Figma. Instead of exporting files and saving image, you can simply copy design as a PNG from Figma and paste it directly into the app. So let's do that. So we have this beautiful Figma design. When you open the option of this particular screen, you will have this copy as a PNG option. When you copy that and paste it inside our app, well, Capture instantly detects the pasted image. Lets you drag another image from the screenshot or a pic from the apps library and compare them side by side. Let's do that. So no extra steps, no file downloads, just copy paste and compare. So that's it from today's video guys, and if you find this useful, please do share with your friends and follow for more. I'll be see you in the next videos.